Good afternoon, students. Myself Anirban Guho, Solar Trainer of Salt Lake Institute of Engineering and Management. Today, I also discuss again a theoretical as well as practical topics. In my previous class, I also discussed the arrangement of solar PV module in series connection and their numerical analysis. I also viewed in my previous video, and today I also discuss another thinking, which is the parallel connection of solar PV module and finally the array connection of the solar PV module, and which is necessary for our theoretical part as well as practical part in solar PV system. And today my topics, first of all, parallel connection. Of SPV system. Now, assuming this is the two module which are connected with parallelly. This is the module 1 or module A, and this is the module B, and each module have two terminal, and when it is connected with parallel, then this positive terminal of module A and this positive terminal of module B both are connected with each other, and this is the final output positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. Both module is the negative terminal of module 1 and this is the negative terminal of module 2. Both are connected with parallel, that's why both are connected with each other, and finally this is the negative terminal. And at that condition, if you are assuming this the voltage V1 equals to 32 volt and this the V2 equals to 32 volt, and this the I1 is 6 amp and this I2 is 6 amp, and finally the output, what will be happen if both module are connected with parallelly? What will be happen at that time? The output voltage means V equals to V1 equals to V2. If two module are connected with parallelly, at that time the output voltage remains same, but the current value will be increases, and here the current, the total I means total current equals to this the I1 and this the I2, I1 plus I2, the 6 plus 6 amp equals to 12 amp, and at that time the output power V into I, 32 into 12, this is the what, and this the final answer will be 384 watt. And if any time we are try to increase the voltage value, at that time we are connected with solar PV module with series connection, that called string. This is the module 1, module 2, this is the module 3, this is the module 4, module 5, and this is the module 6. And these are connected in string function, and this is the connect with the string function. That's why and this is the negative terminal, and this is the negative terminal, and this is the positive terminal, and this is the positive terminal. Finally, this is the string 1 part, and this is the string 2 part. And when these two strings are connected with parallelly, means this connection, what will be happen? And this like thing. And this is the positive terminal. Finally, this is the negative terminal, and it will be move against AGB. This is the array junction box. If the module are connected in series, at that time voltage increase, but current same. And when it is parallel condition, at that time voltage remains same, but current increase. So I hope you all are understand what is the phenomena of parallel connection and how to PV module are operate with parallel connection. So thank you.